Chukwu Oma.
Okwu Ndu Worship.
Odighi Onye Dika Gi. When I had no words left to pray, you heard the tears I couldn't explain. When my strength was almost gone, your hand still carried me on. Chukwu Oma, you stay with me in the valley where no one could see. I was broken, but you held my soul. You never left me on my own. Oh, Akagidike, your hand is mighty. Obimna pogi, my heart is calling. Narekelem, receive my worship. Chukwu, I surrender. Odighi Onye Dika Gi. Odighi Onye Dika Gi. There is no one like you. Eze, my King. Igbo Christian. You are glorious, you are holy. Chukwu Oma,
I belong to you.
Odighi Onye Dika Gi. Odighi Onye Dika Gi.